Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn another beautiful proverb. Too many cooks spoil the broth. So what does it mean? The saying too many cooks spoil the broth means that when too many people try to take charge of a task, they can make it worse instead of better. Too many conflicting ideas or actions can lead to confusion, mistakes, or a poor final results. For example, if 5 people try to fix a broken computer at the same time, pressing different buttons and giving conflicting advice, they might end up making the problem worse instead of solving it. Let's listen to a conversation using the same proverb.
I'm trying to fix the copy machine. I'll have it working again soon, if everyone stops throwing in their suggestions.
Well, you can't blame the others for being impatient. They just want to get their materials printed.
Yeah, but you know what they say, too many cooks spoil the broth. They don't really know what they're doing, and if I listen to all their advice, this thing would never get fixed.
I see your point, but they're only trying to help.
I get that, but I'm the one with experience here. I don't want the machine getting ruined by too many hands poking around. Just let me handle it, okay?
There were too many cooks in the kitchen, no shared vision.
Too many cooks spoil the broth.
Too many queens would spoil the broth.
Too many cooks spoil the,
Yeah, you don't want too many cooks in the kitchen, Sammy.
You know what they say, too many crooks spoil the broth.
Oh, Chandler, too many cooks.